Hey all, we'll see how to create and delete profile using command on Windows as well as on Linux in this class. So let me revise what exactly we have done. So we have started with installing IBM Installation Manager, because without Installation Manager we cannot install WebSphere. Then we have seen how to install WebSphere with GUI and using response file in a silent mode. So after installing WebSphere, we'll get only WebSphere binaries with which we can configure and maintain a WebSphere environment. So the next step would be creating profiles. We have seen various kinds of profiles in previous class. We can create profile through GUI and through command. So we have seen through GUI in previous class. Now let us see how to create through command on Windows and Linux. So we have to run command manage profiles from was root. So let me revise. So this is till this path it's was root, and so after creating profile I'll show what is profile root. So from was root we should run the command through bin. So let us navigate to that path. So this is a command we use to create and delete profiles, and let us see what all features it is having. So we can do all these operations using this command. So let us do create and delete in this class. This is a command to create profile. So the syntax, it's like we'll give name here, and then we'll give the path where we want to configure this profile. And there are a couple of default templates provided by IBM. Let us navigate and see. One is default and the other one is management. So as I said earlier, there are different types of profiles. Using this template we can create management profile, and using default profile we can create using default template we can create application server. So I'm using default profile, and I'm giving the cell name as app srv02 node 02, and this is a host name of this computer, and I'm giving the node name as node 02. So I'm creating names with 02 as I was having another profile earlier. So let me run this command. So I'm running this command from was root bin. It would take a while to create profile. Let us wait for some time. So creation of profile is completed, and we have received a message with success. There are logs which would create during profile creation. These are the two logs you can check if you face any issues while creating profile. And since we have received successful message, let us navigate through these logs and check the configuration details. So as I said, this is WAS root, and we have created profile with this name app srv02. So this is called profile root, and then we can go to logs, and this is a file where we can check configuration details of this profile. So here the admin console port number is 9061. So there are a couple of methods to check status of profile and start the service and stop the service. So one is we can navigate from profile root and then bin. We can navigate through this path from the command prompt, and we can check the status and start and stop services. So from profile root path we'll check in Linux. So I want to show you how to check from WAS root bin. So this is WAS root and this is bin. Anyways, we are in WAS root bin. So to check the status of the server, we can use this command. Server status, and then server name, and then profile name, and then profile name. So this is syntax. Here we should give profile name, here we should give server name. So these are the configuration details of this profile. Profile name is this, and the default server name would be server 1. So I can give server 1 here. So let us check the status of the profile. Server status. So I can give server name as server 1, and I'm giving the profile name as app srv02. Server status will be stopped because after creation it will not start automatically. After checking status, we'll start it. Yeah, as I said, it appears to be stopped. So let us start it. We can start using start server command. Copying and pasting it. It's being starting for the first time. It may take a little long time. application server is started successfully. When application server is started, you will see message similar to like this. It will get assigned with some process ID. So all profiles will have admin consoles. We can manage profiles through admin consoles. And again, when application server is federated to deployment manager profile, the admin consoles will get merged and you can manage using deployment manager admin console. Those things we'll check later. So now let us navigate through the admin console of this profile. This is the syntax of the link of admin console. You have to use the host name in which profile is configured, and you have to use admin port and then /admin. So the admin port of this profile is 9061. So let us navigate it. Again, it's being for the first time, it may take little long time. Yes, I did not created any security configuration, so we can log in without giving username and password. This is how admin console looks like. We'll navigate through all the tabs and we'll check one by one, like deploying applications and security, everything. So now the application server has been configured. Let us see how to delete as well. We'll delete the previously created deployment manager profile. We can use the same command to delete. So the same command, manage profiles. Let us list the profiles existing. This is a command to delete manage profiles -delete, and you can give the name which you want to delete. So this is a profile we have created just now. This is the old profile we have created in earlier class. Let us delete it. Let me give the server name. So this is the syntax, manage profiles, and then -delete, -profile name, and I'm giving the profile name of the profile which I want to delete. Profile deletion is completed successfully. Do remember you need to stop the profile before deletion, and even after deletion, if you find any existing folders, you can delete them manually. Now let us see how to create and delete application server profile in Linux. We have created a profile to command in Windows. Now let us see how to create application server profile using profile management tool. This is the path where we can open a profile management tool from was root and then bin and then profile management. So Here we should run pmt.sh to open profile management tool. Dot slash is used to run executable files. So I'm running it. This tool says the existing profiles. This is a profile which we have created earlier. Now let us create the new one. So I want to create application server profile. It is selected. Next. I want to go with typical so that I don't need to give details manually. I don't want to enable security at this point of time. We can enable security when we cover security topic. These are the default configurations. So this is the profile name, and this is the server name, and this is the host node name. And these are the port numbers. Administrator port is 9061. So port is 8880. We'll cover details about ports later. So these are the port details which are getting configured in this profile. So let us create it. I don't want to start first steps console because I want to do those operations manually. So let us finish the installation. The server status would be stopped. Let us start it manually. So this is a profile which we have configured now. Let's go to its bin. These are the folders of profile. Let us go to bin. So start server, and the default server name would be server 1. So I'm starting it. Yeah, it is paying for the first time. It is taking a while. Server is started successfully. So let us open the server admin console. These are the configuration details of profile, and its administrative console port is 9061. So you can manage this profile using this admin console. So now let us see how to delete the profile. To delete the profile, first you need to stop the profile. Let us delete the same profile which we have created. So let us stop it. This is the syntax to stop the server. Before deleting, I want to make sure we are not accessing that profile anywhere. Server is stopped. Let us go ahead and delete it. We should go to VAS root to delete the profile, and VAS root and then bin, manage profiles. Let us get the names first, and then we'll go ahead to delete it. So this is the syntax of the command to delete profile we have seen just a while ago while deleting in Windows. Deletion we can do only through manage profiles command. We cannot delete using profile management tool. So deletion is success. So in this class we have seen how to create profile through command, and then we have seen how to create profile through profile management tool, and then we have seen how to delete profiles. So let us wind up the class. So you can take screenshots of these two pages so that it will be useful for reference. So you can take a screenshot of these two pages. So this is first page, and this is second page. If you have any doubts or questions, please note them down below. I'll help you out. And if you want to learn a WebSphere Application Server administration course, please register. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos in near future. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.